Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by locking in posture and breath because vibrato grows from stable support. Breathe into the diaphragm, not the chest. Feel the lower ribs expand. Once done, use lip trills and easy humming to connect breath to vocal fold vibration. Make sure to keep jaw and neck loose. Tension kills oscillation. Start with slow, sustained notes on comfortable pitch and hold steady airflow. This establishes the physical pathway that will let vibrato appear naturally as you progress. Once you have breath support, focus on creating a controlled oscillation. Sustain a pure vowel and subtly vary pressure from your diaphragm to create tiny periodic pulses. Aim for 5 to 7 pulses per second. Make sure to keep pitch centered. The pulses should be amplitude modulation, not pitch wobble. Use a metronome set to 60-90 BPM to internalize timing. Gradually ease the pulses into a smooth wave as you relax. This trains your larynx to respond with musical vibrato instead of forced tremor. Now integrate vibrato into songs by applying it to short phrases first, then extending to longer lines once it feels steady. Record yourself and listen critically. Adjust depth by changing airflow intensity and speed by altering pulse rate. Make sure vibrato supports musical phrasing rather than distracting from it. If you encounter a wobble or tightness, stop immediately, reduce volume, re-establish relaxed posture and diaphragmatic breathing, and rebuild slowly. This troubleshooting step prevents.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.